Alright, what's good, y'all? We got another vid coming up. It's gonna be another trade recap, and I'm gonna also just be like showing y'all what I do whenever I bounce, like to just like bounce back from losses and how I take losses as a trader, cause y'all know how that get, like revenge trading and all that. But yeah, today I'm gonna just you know how we go. I'm gonna do a whole recap. I'm gonna just start off with the whole recap. I was paper trading today, but I treat all my paper trade accounts like real deal accounts. And I'm gonna be trading on an eval soon. I'm probably gonna buy eval within like the next week. But I'm gonna show y'all. Today I only took one trade. No, I took two trades. I lost my first trade and I won my second one. But I kept accidentally like clicking my buy and sell button, bro. Like I could show y'all. Like I wasn't losing money from it though, cause I would just click it and hurry up and get off of it. But yeah, I kept accidentally clicking my buy and sell button. But all right, so let me remove all these drawings real quick. I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna walk through everything. So today we open up the charts, we go to the daily chart. What I like to do, like I said, I like to mark out my daily high and my daily low because usually price it starts to like price reacts off of those, like the daily high, the daily low, and the EQ of both of those, which is like equilibrium of both of those. And I'm gonna show y'all how price reacted to it. So like I said, you wanna mark out the high and the low of the previous day candle. Then I scale down to the 5 minute. Gotta size this up. All right, scale down to the 5 minute. This is market open right here. So from here, this is the previous day high. We didn't really do nothing. We were way above previous day high. So at this point, I'm thinking, I was at first I wanted price to just sweep up and looking for it to come down, which we did exactly that. We swept up and came down. Look on the 1 minute. We swept up, came down, and like I said, the V model that I trade, we did that. Went up, swept this high right here, which was pre-market. This is a pre-market high right here. We swept it up, went down, came down to this support zone right here, tapped into it, immediately created a gap. This was counted as a gap, but I wouldn't catch this. And this is why I use the indicator that I have, the fair value gap indicator, because like like this right here, this doesn't look like a gap to me. Like look how far down this wick is. This look like a valid gap, but the indicator showed it was a gap. So from there, we inverse. I entered on this candle, but bro, I thought I got an entry like all the way at the top of the candle, like right here. So I hurry up and sold because I thought my entry was terrible. And as you can see, we went up, swept this. This would have been a nice trade, bro. Then I marked out this low right here. We came down, swept this low. I'm like, boom, okay. We got an entry right here. Hold up. I'm thinking we had an entry. We had a gap right here. And as you can see, we inversed it. I got in on this inverse. This was a worse entry than this one. Got in on this inverse. Didn't even go all the way up. Got stopped out. But whenever you take these losses, this is why you got to have your rules. Like my rules is I risk like no more than 300 per trade. No more than 300. So I lost 260 on this trade. Remind you, yesterday I made 600 like $20 on a trade, so that barely left a dent in my P&L that I made yesterday. So I'm not even like my emotions aren't even involved at this point. I'm calm. I'm still relaxed. As you can see, I was about to say something. Yeah, like I said, I'm relaxed, but this is whenever you take losses, that's why you gotta have rules, bro. You gotta be able to follow your rules and stay disciplined. That's what's gonna keep you making money and continue to keep you on your road to profitability in this market. But yeah, like I said, I was patient. I was trying to turn my indicator off, accidentally hit the freaking sell button. So, and I was trading off my phone at this time. So I hit the sell button, hurry up, click buy again. So I didn't lose any money on that trade. But we came all the way down, tapped into this yellow zone. From here, I'm already freaking looking, bro. A zone tap and a gap created, as well as an inverse, is literally all we need. Then I don't remember what happened here, but I don't think I lost money. I'm gonna show all my like the trades and my thing in a minute. But yeah, we inversed. I got in at this candle because like I said, I accidentally bought in, but we still ended up inverted, so it was a good setup to me. I had my highs. This is how my trade was laid out at first. This was take profit originally. I'm gonna just set this TP just so y'all can continue to follow along. But like I said, this was take profit originally at first. We went up, swept, bro. As soon as this happened, bro, this candle wicked down and rejected the gap. Bro, as soon as this candle happened, I sold. I sold my position, bro. I did this twice today. This was twice. That was terrible discipline on me, but I mean, I still ended up making like all my money that I lost back, plus like 100 more. I'm gonna show y'all from this trade. But yeah, I did that, and it wicked. And as soon as it did, I was like, bro, why did I even get out the trade? Like I was already mad. Then I got back in the trade right here on this candle. So from here, this is how my trade looked. I set my stop at the bottom of, no, it was at the top of this gap right here. And I put the take profit at the high. And this is only a 2.4 RR. It wasn't nothing crazy. But we still ended up making everything we lost back plus like 100 more, like I said. And this is straight from my V model, bro. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, once you stay disciplined to the model, once you find a good model and you see that has potential and just continue to build off that model, like, bro, you'll continue to be profitable. You'll make your way to profitability soon, bro. You just have to stay disciplined to your model. Like, I know you could probably meet people, they trade a certain way, so you want to, like, you know, copy them or add certain stuff to your strat, but you really do not need to do that, bro. Stick to one model and just find ways to perfect that model, bro. Like, that's literally like the cheat code, low key. But yeah, like I said, made that. I'm gonna go to my P&Ls so I can show y'all. Yeah, this was the first trade I took, minus 261. I don't know where this came from. Like I said, I kept accidentally entering trades, bro. And then, like I said, I made 380 on the trade that I hit, the last trade I hit, and I'm done after that. Like, my goal, I mean, my rules, usually I don't take any more than 3 trades a day. If I take more than 3 trades a day, I'm gambling at that point. I'm revenge trading. That's why you got to stay disciplined to your rules. Make some rules and just continue to follow those rules, bro. Continue to be disciplined and following those rules, and you'll see improvement, bro. You'll see improvement eventually. And we even came down again and tapped into this yellow zone and went past TP and even this previous high. Like it's like you can't make this up, bro. Like, it's so green. But yeah, bro. If you take a loss, bro, it's not the end of the world. The losses are meant to happen. Like, you're not going to win every trade in this market. You just have to learn. You just got to be disciplined enough to not react off those losses. You got to take your emotions out this whole, like, out all this trading shit, bro. You got to just lock in with your discipline, bro. That's really the main thing. Like, you can have the best strat in the world. If you're not disciplined, you're not going to make any money in this market, bro. And that's what I had to learn. Like, that's why I kept blowing all my evals. Like, I passed one and I thought I was just so goated. Like, I was not. Like, that was not the case, bro. Like, you just got to lock in with your discipline. Continue to be disciplined, bro. But yeah, that's the trade recap for today. Tomorrow, we'll see. I got to see what news looking like. I might make another video tomorrow, depending on what we look like. If we got good news and everything, good price action, I get a good trade. Even if I lose, like I said, I'm going to post. Like, I lost today, I still posted. I'm trying to get in the rhythm of, like, just being as authentic as possible, because I want to show y'all, like, the raw reality of trading. Like, you're going to lose. You're not just going to win. Like, there's people out here posting nothing but wins. Like, you're still, like, that's unrealistic. That's unrealistic, bro. You're not going to win every single trade. But yeah, like I said, that's the video. That wraps up the video for today. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And yeah, I'm probably going to come out with another one tomorrow. We'll see. But yeah, I'm going to hit y'all. See y'all boy in the next one.